In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Actions to automate tests and Slack notifications. This setup is a practical way to get fast feedback whenever code is pushed or a pull request is opened. GitHub Actions can automatically run your test suite, and Slack can immediately notify your team whether the pipeline passed or failed. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to manage repository secrets in GitHub and permission to create incoming webhooks in your Slack workspace. First, open your browser and go to the Slack API portal. Create a new app, choose the option to build it from scratch, then give it a clear name that identifies its purpose. After that, select the Slack workspace where you want notifications to appear and create the app. Once the app is created, go to the incoming webhook section in the left side menu. Turn incoming webhooks on, then scroll down and choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Select the Slack channel where you want build and test alerts to be posted, then approve the connection. Slack will generate a webhook URL for you. This URL is sensitive, so treat it like a secret and do not hardcode it anywhere in your repository. Next, go to your GitHub repository. Open the Settings tab, then find Secrets and Variables and choose Actions. Create a new repository secret. Name it Slack webhook URL, then paste in the webhook URL you copied from Slack. Save the secret. Storing it this way keeps the webhook protected and allows your workflow to use it securely. Now move to your local repository. In the root of the project, create the hidden GitHub folder. If it doesn't already exist, then create a workflows folder inside it. In that folder, create a file named test and notify.yml. Open that YAML file and define your workflow so it runs on pushes to the main branch and on pull requests targeting main. Then create a job that runs on Ubuntu latest. Add a checkout step so GitHub Actions can access your code. After that, set up Node.js using version 20, install dependencies with npm CI, and run your tests with npm test. Finally, add 2 Slack notification steps using the Slack GitHub action. One step should run only if the workflow succeeds, and the other should run only if it fails. In each case, send a message that includes the repository name, branch name, and commit eshe, and pass in the Slack webhook URL secret through the environment settings. Once you commit and push this workflow file, GitHub Actions will start handling test execution and Slack alerts automatically.